This is what I call a chill Sunday. Yeah, chill out. You already know. You know what it is. Homeboy over there tripping, dog. Homeboy tripping, man. Why is he tripping? Who knows?